This is my website, southillnews.com. Any website, if you change in the content, or if you're changing for any kind of changes, the option is called cpanel. The option is called cpanel. Please write down syntax mydomain.com/cpanel. mydomain.com/cpanel. Now here I'm logging for this website cpanel. Just copy my domain URL. Just here, we're writing for southillnews.com/cpanel. Remember, cpanel always using for small letters. Don't use the capital letters. Cpanel always using for small letter. If you're using for capital letter, it's showing for wrong. Clear? Just enter here. This is called cpanel login. Just enter your email ID and username and password. Click for login. See this. This is called cpanel. Your any file storage by the file manager. Images, directory privacy. Here we can use it only for 5 option. I show the 5 option. Look the screen. First of all, file manager. Please note down. A cpanel. We can using for 5 option. First option, file manager. File manager. Second will be called database. File manager first option. Second will be database. Database. Third will be domains. Third will be domains. Fourth will be email creation. Fourth will be email creation. And final one is called. That is called, you can select for SSL secured. SSL secured. If you are starting website without purchasing themes, you can make the website. Without purchasing any themes, once you purchase hosting, you can make the website with a free of cost. That is called, just scroll down. These are free themes provided by the all cpanels. See here. Which theme are suitable? Select the theme, change your colors, activate on your website. See here, it's set by this theme. Suppose your theme will be healthcare. Select here. Food. See here, just and show you the first one by one. Just come to here. Now, first website. What that? Broadband. Second one, job portal. Maybe Naukri, Monster, same like. Barbers related. Next one, Spare. After eatery is a food related. Next one, health center. Flooring. Real estate. Wedding. These are options. So select any theme. One click, they activate your theme. Just one click, they activate for theme. Is it clear? Once purchase your hosting for 1 year or 1 month, the themes are free for make the website. Here. Click for activate. Is it clear? This is for select your themes on your panel here. Just close here. Is it clear? And we already discussed few technologies. What is called Drupal, WordPress, PHP. That is called here. Please write down technologies. WordPress, Joomla, OpenScart, PresentShop, Joomla, OpenCart, Drupal, PHP, SMF, Magento. This is all. See here, look this one. If you create any kind of extra activities, look the screen here, categories, blogs, microblogs, portal, CMS, forums, image galleries, wikis, social networks, ad management, calendars, gamings, see anything, mails, polls and analytics, Project management, e-commerce site, ERP site, guest books, customer support, frameworks, educational, DB tools, music, video, RSS feed, file management, others, libraries, widgets, blogs. These are these are the extra option given by the this cPanel. Now clear? Once purchase hosting for the free, you make the free website for one-click option. That is called WordPress website. That is called WordPress website. So based on your website, select your theme, activate on your websites. This is called cPanel. One is called here SSL secured for your website secured purpose. Next your email account creation purpose, domain adding purpose, redirection purpose, database adding purpose, and file storage purpose. This is called you can use it for cPanel for particular website.